Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Wealth channel. We'll see the forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 22nd August, tomorrow Friday. So today we had the weekly expiry and the market is completed closed for 21st Thursday. Let's quickly recap what happened on today, 21st August. 21st August, Nifty has closed above around 2583 with 33 points. Let's quickly recap the news. So the closing bell, Nifty close to 2500, Sensex up. Biggest Nifty gainers were Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, Cipla, Bajaj, ICICI Bank, SBI Life Insurance. The pharma was up. Auto and FMCG were in fall side. Losers were Bajaj Auto, Coal India, Power Grid Corporation, Eternal, Tata Consumer Products. On sectoral front, Pharma index is up by 1%, Realty index is 0.4%, while Auto index down by 0.3% and FMCG down by 0.6%. BSC mid cap and small cap indices end on flat zone. Okay. And these are the numbers given by analysts. These are not so significant. Yeah. So this guy is telling downside, this is the support, but these numbers are not accurate. These numbers are not accurate. I will give the accurate numbers. Okay. So this is about the sectors performance. Let's go and quickly see what happened today. So here, if we see here, I had given the sell target as 24,990 for 21st August. I given as 24,990, but the price did not fall below 24,990. So this sell targets is not useful. So were not useful. The sell targets did not went well. And I told that above 25.25 buy for target 25,140. And I also gave warning price can pull back to close below 25,140. So this is what exactly happened. If you see here, it went to the high of 25,150 and price dropped from there below 24,140. You can see this. The high was, the opening high was 24,144 and immediately it closed below 140. So this is what I gave you the warning. Price can pull back to close below 25,140. How did I give this warning? Because in daily chart, the resistance is at 25,146. It touched the daily chart resistance. It came below. That is why yesterday I predicted price can pull back and to close below 25,140. Exactly this is what happened. So whatever we predicted, this is what happened. It pulled back 25,140. Okay, now we will see for tomorrow's forecast. Let me copy this. This is for 22nd August. You can pass the screen and you can read these points. Price looks bullish on consolidation. If you see here, clearly it is marking higher highs. Okay. So it is clearly there was a price gap. Last 6 trading session, Nifty has traded upwards. This is something to note. Last 6 trading session, Nifty has been upward movement. Okay. So clearly it is in upward direction. But one important point to remember, there is a price gap till 24,635. This is very important to remember. You see this green zone. This is the price gap. From here on 14th, on 18th August, it jumped 400 points. It jumped. So this price gap is there. Okay. So this price gap, market will fill it in next week. I don't know when it will fill. Tomorrow, no. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By next week, price will come down to touch 24,660. Okay, next week or next before week, next after week. So we should always remember this price graph. This is a big downfall. It is again 400, 500 points down. So price is bullish, but you need to be always cautious. Nifty can anytime come down and touch here and go reverse back. Okay, this should be back of the mind. It is not for tomorrow, but it should be in back of the mind. Okay, so now let's see the entry and exit points. Okay. Okay. For sell target and entry points, so there are three supports. Before you enter into sell, you should remember the three supports. One is 25.21. 25.21 is today's pivot. Okay. So this price was not touched today. There was a gap up and price went till 25.150 and it closed first 30 minutes candle, it closed as 25.56, and from here the price moved up, it is here. So there is a price gap already formed here. Okay, see, so there is a price gap. So this CPR, this pivot is not touched. So this is called a virgin pivot. So this pivot is not touched. So there is a high chance price comes and touch this point. Okay, so tomorrow's pivot is 25.95. Price is trading below 25.95. Price can come down and it can touch 25.21 and it can take a support and it can reverse back. This is one possibility. Second possibility is price breaks this point. Price breaks this point. 30 minutes. Price breaks this support. If it breaks below 24,930 in 1 hour candle, then you go for target for 24,850. Okay, if the price started coming down, and if it is coming below 24,930, see this point. If it breaks 24,930, if the 1 hour candle stays below these reversal, then you go for sell target for 24,850. You need to go step by step only. Okay, so price will reach 24,850. So 24,850, you see, it is a clear point here. It was a clear reversal point from here. That is why I given this target to exit. So this point was the opening price for 18th August. So again, when the price touches here, it can react. Okay, that is why the target I gave is 24,850. You exit 24,850 for this target, and then you wait to the price can come here and it can reverse. So wait for the price to break below and break below 24,820. If the price breaks below 24,820 and stays below 24,820, then you can go for second sell target for 24,700. Okay, 24,700. See, once the price started coming below 24,920, there is a big seller zone. Price can start pushing more downwards. Now it is around 25,000. If the price breaks below 24,900, 25 under 25,000 and then 24,920, there is a big seller zone. It will push the price down to fill this price gap. Okay, so as I already told, so there is a price gap. This price gap will be filled. So below 24,820, go for target 24,700. Okay, these are the two good targets for sell entry, but you need to do a sell entry only below 24,930. Okay, this is a safer. So for buy target for Nifty, though the current price is 25.83, I would suggest you to wait till 25,150 to enter buy target. What is 25,150? That was today's high, 25,153. So if the price close above 25,153 in 15 minutes candle, then go for buy target to 25,230. This 25,230, yesterday also I gave this target. So today also this target remains. So I don't want to give buy targets from below range. I want the price to break above 25,150 to enter into buy target 25,230. Okay, these are the simple entry points for Nifty, guys. Note it down. Let's go for Bank Nifty quickly. Okay, for Bank Nifty, today I gave that prediction. If the price cross down sustains below 55,540, enter for sell. But 55,540 price did not reach. Price reached maximum to 55,722. So this prediction is not valid for today. Okay. Then I told above 55,790, go for 55,860. So this target reached, extended to 55,890. This target reached, market even went above 55,890. Market went till 55,990. Okay, so it surpassed our target, even it went above. But this is an opening candle. Again, market came down from here. It went till 55,950. We targeted till 55,890. So one of the target has met for our prediction. Let's see tomorrow the prediction for Bank Nifty for 22nd. Okay. So this is for 22nd forecast for Bank Nifty. Let me copy and paste. Okay. So Bank Nifty closed today at 55,755 plus 56 points. Okay. What I see is there is a very good support zone for Bank Nifty. You see it formed a lower high, it broke this high and it went here, opened it a higher high. The direction is very good. And also you see lot of buyer side liquidity. There is one zone here, there is second zone here. There is, see, in 15 minutes also there is a buyer zone here. So in 5 minutes also there is a buyer zone here. So again, after those buyer zones, again there is a buyer zone here. So there are lot of buyer side support is there. So Bank Nifty can struggle to move downwards. Maybe if there is any gap down, then it is fine. If it was opening flat, then you need to be very careful to be in sell side because there are a lot of support. So the price can touch here to 55,690, 55,680, which is today's pivot, and it start reversing from there. Or it will take some liquidity from here. It will take the support at 55,550 and it will reverse from here. So you need to be very, very careful to be in sell side for Bank Nifty because there is very strong support. Okay, so for sell side entry, what I suggest, wait till price go below 55,540. That is around 200 points from current price. Okay, so it's a very long entry. It's a very late entry, but there are a lot of support. So I feel it is risky to enter into sell side above this range. Okay, once the price breaks 55,540, the target is 55,420. So this target I gave it yesterday also, and this target is based on this price gap. You see this price gap, the price gap is here, but until here something is filled. So you see here, so here the candle wick have closed till here, candle wicks are closed till here. So the target will be 420 to 55,470. Okay, so if this breaks 55,540, go for this target. Okay, this is the only sell entry and exit I want to give. For buy target, current price is 55,755. Wait till 55,890 is reached. What is 55,890? In 5 minutes candle. I'm giving a very close entry. See, 55,890 is the reversal point of today. Okay, so if the price cross this 55,890, 55,897, then you can go for target 55,990. What is 55,990? It is this. It is this zone. 55,990 was a reversal of today. And then if the price cross 56,010, you see here in 30 minutes candle, if the price cross 56,010, maybe more precise, 56,115, then you go for again buy entry for target 56,150. 56,150 is nothing but the high of 18th. You see here, this is a zone of 55,150. Okay, and you exit your buy and then wait for 2-hour candle to close below 156. So wait for the candle to close below 56,156. Okay, and then go for target 56,200. Okay, I will tell 56,160. Okay, guys, these are the very carefully I marked the entry and exit points. The entry points are based on the higher ones, higher reversals, and also support zone. So I carefully marked these entries so that you can have a safe entry. Okay, respect these entries and go for this exit points. Exit points, you don't have to wait till 55,420 to reach. You don't have to wait till 55,470 to reach. You can even exit before if you have a sufficient profit. Okay, so exit points, do not try to be more perfect, but entry points, you need to be very strict for entry. Okay. Okay, guys. All the best for tomorrow's trading. Catch you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Thank you very much.